Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Tech. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to open RAR file in your Windows and PC and laptop without using any third-party software. So for this is my RAR file. I need to open this. For this, simply I need to click on the right click and their option extract here. Simply I need to extract here, and here you can see my file is extracted. All these two files are extracted and these are in my this specific folder. There is another way, like you want to extract this in the folder format. Simply click on this and we want to extract to a file. Here we go, and you can check our folder is extracted in this another folder format, and in this folder you can see all these files are in this specific folder. So by easily clicking, you can easily open your RAR file and extract the RAR file. Get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye. Take